What's your name?
My name is Paul.
How can you spell it? How can you spell your name?
KSOS.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 8, thank you.
Where do you live? Where do you live? I live. What animals do you like?
I like chicken.
What color do you like?
I like red.
How many rooms are there in your house? What are they?
There are 3 rooms. Bedroom, bathroom, living room.
What have you got in your bedroom?
There are a pillow and pen and book and pen.
Okay. How many people are there in your family? Who are they?
There are 4 family.
There are 4 people. Who are they?
My father, my mother, my brother, and me.
What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? Okay. Where is the radio?
The radio is on the table.
Where is the sheep?
The sheep on the
What animal is under the table? What animal is under the table? Where is the clock?
clock on the wall.
Where is the boy?
The boy between the wall.
How many plates are there on the table? How many plates are there on the table? How many frogs are there in the box? How many frogs are there in the box? What color is the radio?
It's a blue and white.
Very good. Next. Point out 3 differences between picture 1 and picture 2.
Picture 1. The lemon under the table.
In picture 2,
In picture 2, the mango is under the table. the
In picture 1,
in picture 1, the red is on the table.
in picture 2,
In picture 2, the orange is on the table.
okay. In picture 1, okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.